Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to adjust page border margin in Microsoft Word. In order to adjust page border margin in Microsoft Word, first of all open up MS Word. After that, just open up the file that you want to manage or adjust the margin line. Now let's say that this is the particular page. Now in order to adjust the margin, first of all what you need to do is you need to go to layout from the top. After that, go to margins. Once you've done that, you'll need to select, you can just randomly select or pick the margin, or else you can just go to customize margin and you can just select how much you want on the left, on the top, as well as on the right, and as well as on the bottom. Now for example, as you can see, it's 2.54 centimeters, so I'm just gonna increase the top part for now. After that, you can see right at the bottom as well, it's just been increasing, and for the left as well, I'm just gonna keep on increasing. So as you can see that the margin has been increased. Now tap on the OK button. As you can see that the margin has increased, and if you want to make the margin go along with the sentence, then what you need to do is go to design. After that, you need to go to page border. Go ahead and select either one of it. Once again, the margin has been formed. Now you need to go to page border. After that, you'll be able to see borders. Once you've done that, you'll need to just adjust the paragraph accordingly. Click on option from the right hand side corner, and if you want to do it, just go ahead and tap on it. Click on OK. So after that, go ahead and tap on the OK button, and that's how you can adjust the margin line on MS Word. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.